Hustling is fine, but without a plan, you will hustle forever. You need just one thing. Why buy three? Because they are selling three for the price of two. What do you want to use the second one to do? In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how immigrants in the United Kingdom can achieve financial freedom and retire early, even on an average income. So let's get right into it, because working forever should not be the plan. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel I share various videos about immigrant lifestyle in the United Kingdom. So if this video or any of my videos interest you, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me comments below, share this video with somebody, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to know anytime I drop a new video. So before we dive into the how, let's define the what. So basically, financial freedom means you have enough passive income or savings to live the life that you want without having to work out of necessity. It doesn't mean you will stop working. It means that you will have the choice. And early retirement doesn't have to mean you are retiring at 40. For many, it could be stepping away from your full-time work at the age of 50, 40, even your late 30s, depending on your strategy and your lifestyle goals. Let's be real, many immigrants come into the UK and are trapped in a cycle of working multiple jobs, sending money home, living paycheck to paycheck, never investing or planning for retirement, and the cycle goes round and round. But why? Because many of us weren't taught how money works in the United Kingdom. Now here are 3 common mindsets that hold people back. 1, I came here to hustle, not to retire. Hustler. Hustling is fine, but without a plan, you will hustle forever. 2, pension. That's for old people. You have not heard that starting early is the best way to win with pensions. 3, I'll start investing when I earn more. The truth is that most people don't save more when they earn more, you included. We all spend more. Here are the 6 pillars of financial freedom in the United Kingdom. This is the heart of this video, so let's break it down to 6 practical steps. Number 1, get your financial house in order. What does this mean? Before you talk about investing or retiring early, you need a clean financial foundation. So I would say you should open a UK bank account with good features, not just for receiving salaries. You know, a bank account that can give you more, that can help you with budgeting, can help you with savings, can give you return on your savings. So look out for the good ones and start using them. Also, you want to create a monthly budget. You can start with just using Google Sheets, and you can decide to use some various apps that are available on the market for budgeting. Another thing that is worth doing is tracking your income and expenditures for 90 days. Truly, you'll be shocked where your money is going. Next thing is to build an emergency fund. Now, when people hear about emergency fund, they think of thousands of pounds in savings. No, your emergency fund can be as little as £100. It can be as little as 200, 500 pounds. So start from somewhere. Start with £5 here, £10 here, £20 there, you know. All these pounds here and there, before you know it, they are adding up. And when you budget it into your monthly spendings, before you know it, say you save £50 every month for the next 12 months. That's a whooping £600 in a year. So start from somewhere. Don't wait until you have one huge and bulk amount of money to put into your emergency fund before you start, because the truth is, you and I know that may not likely happen. Another thing is to avoid bad credits. Buy now, pay later, credit cards that you are not paying as often as you're supposed to be paying it, avoid them. If you don't need it, don't buy it. If you need just one thing, why buy 3? Because they are selling 3 for the price of 2. What do you want to use the second one to do? Only buy things that you need. And a very important tip here is, if you have debt, make sure that you clear them aggressively first before even thinking about, saving or investing. Start with the high interest debts first. Try and clear them as soon as possible. The second point is maximize your income. You can't save your way to financial freedom on a low income alone. You also need to grow your income. So how can you do this as an immigrant in the United Kingdom? By upskilling. There are different courses that you can take in your line of profession or in other things in order for you to, move on to the next level to earn more income. Depending on what interests you, there are short courses in tech, in care work, in finance. All these can open new doors for you and help you to attain a higher level in your chosen profession. Another way to maximize your income is through side hustles. Side hustles such as delivery, cleaning, content creation, tutoring, digital services on Fiverr, Upwork, and other websites can also help you to increase your income. Another way to maximize your income, which is not so popular, especially among the non-Europeans, is applying for government support. So if you are eligible, say you're eligible for universal credit top-ups, childcare support, you can check if you're eligible for this, apply for it, and use it to maximize your income. Number 3 is to master the UK pension system. One of the biggest mistakes that we make as immigrants is we ignore pensions. And here is what you need to know about pensions. There's something called workplace pension. And with workplace pension, if your employer offers one, that means they are going to match your contributions. That's free money. So if you are contributing, say, £200 into your pension every month, that means your employer will most likely be matching that up. That's £400 every month for you in pension. And if you work for the next 20 years before your retirement, just do the calculations. 20 by 12 by 400. Meanwhile, you are going up the ladder in your profession, so also your pension contributions is going to be increasing, and your employer's contribution towards your pension will also be increasing. So it's just a no-brainer. If your company or your employer offers it, why not? It's free money, so take advantage of it. Another type of pension that you need to be aware of is what is called state pension. So for state pension, you need 35 qualifying years to get to the full UK pension, which is currently £10,600 per year. Even if you are not working, you can get credits through benefits you are getting from the government or caring responsibilities. A good tip here is to consider opening a self-invested personal pension. This is going to help you to invest more flexibly. Now to number 4, save. Save and invest intentionally. I know by now you know that savings accounts are not enough. You need to invest, and sometimes you are confused on what exactly are the type of investments that I can go into as an immigrant in the United Kingdom. So here are a few. Cash ISA. I've talked a bit about ISAs in my previous videos, but let's see what types of ISA are available and how you can take advantage of it. Cash ISA, it is low interest and it is good for emergency funds. We've got the stock and shares ISA, and with this it gives you long-term investment growth. We've got the lifetime ISA, also known as LISA. For this, the government gives you 25% on top of every £1,000 that you put in. This is great for home buying or retirement, and you have to be between the ages of 18 and 39 to take advantage of lifetime ISA. For example, if you invest £200 per month in your lifetime ISA, you could have over £70,000 in 15 years, of course with growth and bonuses. There are different platforms that offer different types of ISAs. I personally used Moneybox, but you can check out other platforms such as Plum, Vanguard, amongst others. Number 5, own assets, not just income. Truly, you cannot retire early if you don't own things that can keep making money for you even when you're not working. So let's look at a few assets that you can own. Number 1 is property. You can buy a home, rent out a room, or invest in buy-to-let if you can. This is a great way of making passive income. Another one is digital assets. So your ebooks, your YouTube channels, your social media platforms that are monetized and bringing you money. Talk about online courses that are generating you money even while you are sleeping. So try and see what digital assets you can have. Another one is dividend stocks and index funds. I don't know a lot about this, but I'm sure if you search on YouTube or do a Google search, you'll see a lot of information about how you can actually start making money with dividends and index funds. Usually they make monthly or quarterly payouts, which you can reinvest or use for retirement. So basically, you want to build a portfolio of assets that cover your basic costs of living, and that is financial independence. Number 6 is to have a retirement vision and timeline. It's not just enough to want to retire early. You need a plan. So ask yourself, what age do I want to slow down or stop working? How much will I need per year to live comfortably? What will I actually do in retirement? Then work backwards. Use the 25 times rule. This means if you want £25,000 per year in retirement, you need to save at least £625,000 before retirement. You just need to start small and let the compounding interest do all the work for you. And for real, here's the truth. You won't retire early by doing what everyone else is doing. You'll have to say no more often. You will be misunderstood. You definitely will need discipline when others are distracted, but it's worth it. Early retirement gives you freedom of time, freedom of choice, and freedom from stress. I've got a free downloadable checklist / workbook in the comment section and also in the description box below. If you would love to get this, just click on the link that I've put down there. Now here's my final thought to you. If you're an immigrant in the United Kingdom, don't just survive, build wealth. Thrive. Start small, be consistent, learn the system. You may not be able to change your past, but you can design your financial future. If this video has helped you, please make sure that you click on the like button. Share this video with somebody. They will appreciate you for it. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to read your comments also in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in these other videos showing on your screen.